Hey everyone, Blackmagic PYXIS 12K, unveiled at NAB 2025 in Las Vegas, is a bold and forward-thinking entry into the high-end cinema camera space, showcasing Blackmagic Design's relentless pursuit of innovation. Slated for release in July 2025 at price of $4,995, this camera is built around the same 36 by 24mm full-frame RGBW sensor found in the ARRI Cine 12K LF. It delivers an astounding 12K resolution at 12,280 by 8,040, offering up to 16 stops of dynamic range and incredibly low noise, making it a powerhouse for cinematic production. What sets the PYXIS apart is its flexibility in both shooting formats and workflows. It accommodates full-frame 3:2 open gate, super 35mm, and uncropped 6:5 anamorphic recording, with frame rates that scale to match diverse production needs, up to 112 frames per second in 4K, 60 frames per second in 8K, and 40 frames per second in 12K. Thanks to the RGBW sensor architecture, color reproduction and low light sensitivity are noticeably improved, lending the camera exceptional fidelity across a wide range of shooting environments. Despite its cinematic prowess, the PYXIS 12K remains surprisingly portable. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum and weighing under 3 pounds, the body is clearly built for dynamic use. Its compact modular form is covered in 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch mounting points, allowing filmmakers to integrate it seamlessly with drones, gimbals, or handheld rigs. Interchangeable lens mounts add even more versatility, supporting L-mount, PL, and locking EF lenses. This makes it a highly adaptable tool whether you're shooting with high-end sign glass or more accessible still photography lenses. Blackmagic has also ensured the PYXIS is future-proof in terms of connectivity and media. The dual CFX press card slots enable recording of 12-bit Blackmagic RAW internally, while USB-C ports allow for direct recording to external SSDs. On the cloud front, the camera can generate real-time H.264 proxies using 5G phones or 10G Ethernet and upload them directly to Blackmagic Cloud. This cloud integration feeds into DaVinci Resolve, making it possible for editors and collaborators to work on footage remotely, almost instantly. Live streaming is another area where the PYXIS stands out. With built-in RTMP and SRT support, along with a dedicated streaming engine, it can broadcast directly without the need for external encoders. On the physical I/O side, the camera offers a professional suite of ports, including 12 GSDI with HDR output, a mini XLR input with 48-volt phantom power, and a 10G Ethernet jack. Power is provided via Sony BPU batteries, and Blackmagic even offers optional SSD plates that let creators mount their drives or phones directly to the body during shoots. Though the base camera is rich with features, Blackmagic is offering key accessories separately, such as the ARRI Cine EVF and a 5-inch HDR touchscreen monitor priced at $995. Still, the built-in 4-inch 1500 nit HDR LCD ensures that users will have solid monitoring options straight out of the box. In short, the Blackmagic PYXIS 12K is an exceptionally capable digital cinema camera that blends extreme image quality, modular flexibility, and cloud-first workflows into a compact, rugged frame. At just under $5,000, it signals a democratization of ultra-high-end cinematography, making 12K full-frame shooting accessible to a much broader segment of filmmakers. Whether you're a seasoned cinematographer or an ambitious indie creator, the PYXIS 12K represents a compelling new tool for modern storytelling. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.